Meet Chuniya Chowdhury, a member of a beekeeping co-op in Bhandara in Nepal's Chitwan district. There are only a few beekeeping co-ops in Bhandara and its neighboring villages. With instruction and technical support from Ishwari Khatioda, a bee specialist with Namaste Mount Everest honey, women like Chuniya in Bhandara and neighboring villages are involved in beekeeping projects that are enabling them to generate income on regular basis. To empower local women and to help them generate much needed income, People's Foundation Nepal, a non-profit voluntary group, is working together with these co-ops and Namaste Mount Everest honey and using Ishwari's knowledge and skills to facilitate beekeeping in the isolated village of Bandara and its surrounding. Our ultimate goal is to make Bandara and other neighboring villages suitable environments for the production of pure honey, which is in high demand in both the local and international markets. In order to multiply and thrive and to produce pure honey, bees need a poison free environment. To achieve this in Bandara and other villages, People's Foundation Nepal is encouraging the village farmers to use compost instead of urea for fertilizer. The compost can be made easily using cow or buffalo dung, food and other wastage, and the result will be an environment suitable for not only honey production but also organic farming. Based on current market price for honey, 800 rupees, approximately $9 per kilogram, a single family needs to keep at least 4 beehives with bees in order to produce enough income to cover their basic living expenses. People's Foundation Nepal will select 16 families to participate in our beekeeping project. Each family will be provided with 6 beehives with bees and they will maintain the hives on their own property. Namaste Mount Everest Honey has agreed not only to teach these families how to prepare their honey for market but also to purchase the honey and honey products their hives produce. With the goal of involving 16 more families in beekeeping within 2013, People's Foundation Nepal needs additional resources to scale the project accordingly. A grant of $25,000 would allow us to add 100 beehives with bees for loan to women and their families.